I'm going to show you why your bar chords suck real quick. You ready? So, yeah, it's strength for sure. That's actually why I'm up here on the 5th fret, so it's a little bit easier to play. A little less strength needed as opposed to the 1st fret, sure. But the real ultimate secret is the lean. So everybody likes to think, you just play it here all flat, that elbow's out, right? No, roll that elbow in and lean it. In fact, the real tip is to set your fingers, right, as close as you can to the fret itself, okay? And then on that flat part of your finger, all right, on the actual fret, you're gonna lay it on top, and then I want you to have that elbow out as you do it, and then kick that elbow into your side like this. And get a mean lean. And so you're rolling that finger over to get a perfect bar chord. That's the big secret, and that's why your bar chords suck. You're not doing the mean lean. Have fun, you guys. I'll see you in the next video.